Komakore gi piny owacho mar kaunti Homabay medo keto mijing'o mar kedo gi midhiero adek madongo magin landruok mag kute mag ayaki, gamo iye oiwu e kind nyithindo manyiri kod lwenje mag kit chwech mong'ere ni triple threat mosebedo ka chendo e kaunti Homabay. Kaunti no en achiel kuom kauntis ma pod ni kod pek e midhiero adek go mosemiyo kwan nyithindo manyiri magamo iye oiwu medore. Lwenje makoro migepe mopogore opogore tiyo kanyakla mar tieko kokalo romo makanyakla manotele gi jatatije maduong' e duol mochung'ne kedo gi tuoche malandore apoya Dr. Ruth Masha gi gavana mar kaunti no Gladys Wanga. Jokanyo mamoko ne giyiere mar tiyo kanyakla e lwenyno kod bende nywando joma chuo e wuodhno kaka yor tieko midhiero go.
We have committed as a government on 12 indicators that if we do these indicators across the entire sectors of government, including things like ensuring our young people are transitioning from school to work, we know that we shall make a difference. We are on this mission to end. We are not on this mission to reduce the numbers, but you're saying the triple threat must come to an end. The generation to come in the future shall not struggle with mistimed pregnancies, child mothers, and we are going to let our girls be girls and not mothers.
According to the latest DHS 2022, we are among those leading in SGBV cases as well as new HIV infections. The good thing is that we are not sitting on our laurels and waiting to be counted in those damning statistics. We have moved forward to intervene strongly.
The statistics show not really a good sign, and this is a priority for the country, and the UN is also prioritizing this to work with the national and the county government, with communities, development partners, to make sure that we are ending the